Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. So as a part of our Python tutorial series, in last lecture we learned about Python inheritance and Python method overriding, right? Now in this lecture we will learn about Python superclass and Python super method, right? How using super keyword we can access all the methods from the parent class, right? So without wasting time, let's start. So this is the script which I have prepared to demo you guys, Python superclass. So superclass is nothing but the parent class is called as superclass, okay? And we know the concept of inheritance. This is the parent class and how we pass the parent class when we declare the child class, right? Then we pass the parent class inside child class and that is called inheritance, right? Now let's understand first the code of this parent class. So there is a class called student. This is my parent class. There is one variable called dress code class variable having value formal, right? Then there is a initializer method which is having two variable stream and timing, right? And here I am assigning the stream and timing value using this initializer method, right? And stream can be science, commerce, arts, and timing can be morning, day, evening, right? Now there is another method, show stream details, right? So it is just about printing the stream and details, right? So I'm just printing a message. This is example, this is a science stream having shift timing as morning, right? So I'm just giving a print message in this show stream detail method, right? So just to fetch the detail, right? So this is our parent class declaration. Now we have child class declaration. So child class name is science student and I'm passing student parent class in that, right? And I am having a class variable called dress code and then there is a initializer method, right? So this is the initializer method of child class which is having stream and timing and number of subject, right? And stream and timing, these two variables are common in the parent as well, right? So parent also has stream and timing. So when we were doing the inheritance, so earlier we used to assign this value as this, right? Like self dot stream equals to stream, self dot timing equals to timing, right? And that's how this stream and timing gets assigned into the parent variable as well, right? So to do that, if you have multiple variable, right, so you can do using this super keyword, right? So super keyword is used to call any methods from the parent class, whether it's initializer method or any other method, right? So what I'm doing just to initialize the parent class variables, that is stream and timing, I'm calling this initializer method of parent class using this super keyword. So super underscore this initializer method, and then I'm passing stream and timing, which is passed in this child initializer method, right? So that stream and timing that is getting passed here in this parent class initializer method, right? And that's how stream and timing gets assigned in the parent class, right? So instead of doing this using self dot, right, we can use this super keyword, right? So this is in initializer method, right? Now in there is one more method, show stream details, right? And in this using super keyword I'm just calling the show stream details method which is available in the parent class, right? So parent class method I'm just calling it here, right, in this child class, and also I'm giving an extra print message which is printing the stream, timing, and number of subjects, right? So this is the print message which I'm giving in the child class apart from calling this parent class method using super keyword, right? So I hope you understood what is the use of super keyword, right? So super keyword is used to call any methods from the parent class, whether it's initializer method or any other method. You can call them, right? You can modify them here, right? You can play with them, right? Use so you can call using super keyword and you can use them in the child class, right? If you have multiple parents, right? Suppose you have college also as a parent which is there in this science student child class, right? So you can call this super method, right? So this super method will call, right? Using the super method you can call both the both parent class methods, right? So you can call all the methods from multiple classes, multiple parent classes using this super keyword, right? So the use of super keyword is to just call the parent class methods while declaring the child class, right? That is the use. Okay. So now let's create this parent class. Let me just create this parent class in idle shell. So let me just paste it here. Let me minimize it. Enter, right? So our parent class got created, right? Student. Now let me create our child class. So let me just paste it here. So enter. Okay, so our child class got created, right? Now we are declaring an object. Our object name is science student object, which is an object of child class science student, and I'm passing three variable: stream, timing, and number of subject, right? So here that will be here passed here, right? Stream, timing, and number of subject. This initializer method will be called, right, when we create an object, right, using any class, right? So initializer method gets called, right? And this initializer method is calling the parent class initializer method, and the stream and timing will be assigned in the parent class as well, right? So just by creating an object, we are assigning stream, timing, and number of subjects in both parent and child class. So let me just create an object. Let me just paste it here. So our object got created, right? Now there is another method, show stream detail in child class. So we'll call this method, right? So in this method, as you know, we are calling the parent class show stream detail, right? Which is printing stream and timing, right? So it is giving a print message, show stream detail in the parent class. Also, we have another print message itself for the child class, right? So we should be having two print messages, right? So let's call this show stream detail of the child class. Let's see. So let me just paste it here, enter, right? So you can see it is printing first print message is this is science stream having shift timing is morning. This is coming from the parent class show stream details method, right? Which is this call super dot show stream detail, right? Right. And the another one is this print message, right? Which is coming here, right? So I hope you guys understood the concept of super keyword. Using super keyword, you can call any methods from the uh, uh, parent method into the child class, right? So you can call multiple parents methods also. You can call any parent method using this super keyword in child class, right? That is the use of super keyword in inheritance. I hope you guys like this lecture. If you guys like this lecture, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.